channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shirley Howard and I'm a part-time fashion reseller on Poshmark and eBay, sometimes Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. So if you're interested in fashion reselling or Poshmark and eBay tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button below to be notified of when new videos are released. So today's video is how to sell online like a pro and how to sell fast. In my first year as a part-time or less than part-time fashion reseller online with Poshmark and eBay website, I made over $25,000 in sales. And again, that was as a very part-time basis, as I do have another full-time job. So you need to get good, and you need to get good fast in order to get results online. So my number one tip for people that want to sell online on any website is to take good pictures. People will buy things that are aesthetically pleasing. So take the time to make sure your items have a nice white background. Google really likes a white background. Poshmark really likes a white background. And people really like a nice white background. If I'm giving a tip for the one thing I would have purchased early on in my reselling days, it would be lighting. So the item looks good is my number one thing. So make sure that it is. You can sell it hanging on a wall, you can put it on a mannequin, you can lay it on the floor. Different types of presentations are fine, but it's the fact that it's nice, white, and bright that attracts people to your item. I take all my pictures with my iPhone, which works just fine because I've sold many items. I take them on a white background, but then I put them through a free app called Photo Room. It takes out any other imperfections that I may have missed and makes the background nice, white, and bright. And quite often I'll get people send me a comment and they'll say, can you please give me a picture of the actual item? They mistake my pictures as stock photos, which is a compliment, but I will tell them back, I'm like, this is the actual item. So make sure it's nice, white, and bright. Now, get your item in a good shape too. So make sure that if it needs to be washed, wash it. If it needs to have a sweater shave, shave it. If it needs to be ironed, iron it. If it needs to be steamed, steam it. So pictures and presentation go hand in hand. Nice, white, bright, clean. Think about how you would like to receive an item you've purchased on Poshmark or eBay. What condition would you like it to be in? It's going to be used items, then you realistically have to understand this is a used item. If it's a brand new item, expectations are different. But make sure that your picture is representative of what you're going to send to the buyer. So if there are any imperfections, a missing button, maybe there is some pilliness that you can't remove, maybe there's a small stain that you really can't see when you're wearing the item, you can sell items that have issues. Disclose it in your ad. Make sure that you take pictures of it and disclose it in your ad so the buyer knows exactly what they're getting. Now, in terms of photos, you can add, I think it's 12 photos on eBay, and I think it might be up to 16 now on Poshmark. So take lots of pictures. People use stock photos, which you're not supposed to do, but everyone does. That's fine. It gives you a beautiful picture as something to catch people's eye. But even if you use stock photos, you have to add pictures of the actual item. People want to know what they're actually buying. Even if it's brand new with tags, people want to see the actual item. And when I take pictures, I have a very basic format that I use every single time. So taking pictures is fast because I know exactly what pictures to take. I take pictures of the front. I take pictures of close-up of the upper portion of it. I take 2 pictures of the side. I take 2 pictures of the back of the item. I take pictures of the care tag, pictures of the size tag, pictures of a logo, pictures of the brand tag. So all of these pictures I take automatically, put them in my ad, and all the information is there for the buyer. So take pictures of your labels. Always take pictures of your labels. I also do a close-up of the pattern of the item so that people can see if it's texturized or has a certain type of pattern to it, so that they know when they're getting an item what actually it looks like. So people want to know what they're actually getting. If you don't have a lighting kit, take the pictures of the items in natural lighting. So that means you might be taking pictures only during the day if you don't have lighting kits. But again, keeping those items as attractive as possible before you put them online. Another tip I'll give you for selling fast online is don't be afraid to send offers to people that want to buy your item. You can send offers to likers on Poshmark. You can use Closet Clear Out on Poshmark. eBay, you can send offers to people on eBay. You can run a promotion on eBay. Don't be afraid. Reach out to the buyer, give them a deal. I use offers to likers on Poshmark. It's how I sell most of my items on Poshmark. Offers to likers. Offers, offers, offers. And I use Closet Clear Out sometimes as well, and I can sell maybe 8 or 10 items in a 6-hour period, which is a nice sales day to have quite a few items on the same day. So for example, you find that someone on Poshmark has liked 3 of your items. You can put those 3 items in a bundle and offer them to the buyer. If the 3 items separately cost $20, $20, $20, or $60, well, you're not going to send an offer to the buyer for $60. Send an offer to the buyer for $50. That's $10 off. It's an incentive for them to purchase. Maybe they come back with a counter offer of $45. So think about that. Do you want to lose a sale over $5? That's up to you to make that decision. It depends on what you paid for the item. But look at that value. Do you want to lose a sale over $1, $2, $3, $4, $5? That buyer is in a position, they've counter offered, they're in a position to buy. And I'm not going to quibble over $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So don't lose a sale over a very small amount of money and hang on to that item for maybe months and months at a time. If someone wants to buy it, make it very attractive for them to buy it from you. And if you're looking at Poshmark and eBay or any of those online websites, they are advertising on television and on radios that they're a platform for people to get deals. So Poshmark advertises that you'll get up to 70% off the regular price. eBay, again, it's known for people to get deals. So you're not going to get 100% of what you paid for the item back from selling it online. So be prepared to offer deals to people that want to buy your items. Now, one of the things that I'll talk about too, that I don't talk about this a whole lot in my videos, but I thought it was appropriate to add here. Think long term. So are you on Poshmark or eBay, Etsy, Mercari for a short period of time just to sell 3 or 4 items you want to clear out? Or are you looking to make this more part-time or a side hustle or a few extra dollars? This is another reason why you need to have buyers. You want them coming back. Giving them a good price, selling them an item that is exactly as advertised will bring people back to buy items from you. You want them to come back. A new promotion I have just started, literally just started, is I add a card that says, if you come back again to buy from me, I'll give you an extra 10% off whatever your order is. So I've given them an incentive to come back and buy from me. And 10% of an item that's $20, it's not a lot of money. Even 10% of something that's $100, it's not a lot of money. I need to be moving items and moving them fast. So offering deals and discounts, getting people to come back, that's what you need to do to think long term. Some other strategies out there for people that are selling is packaging. Poshmark requires that you package items, you use paper, tissue paper, you use thank you cards, make it as nice a package as possible. Now remember, when you're receiving an item from Poshmark or eBay or any other platform, think about how you would like to receive an item you've purchased yourself on those platforms. So Poshmark packages, I spend more time packaging those than I do eBay orders because different platforms, different strategies. And one other strategy that people use is that they'll ship out a package and they'll put in something that is free that the buyer was not expecting. So think if you open up your Poshmark package and you've ordered 2 items and another item showing up in the box that is your size and something that you would like, you're going to feel really good about that seller, and that might be that incentive that gets you going back to buy more from that person. So again, think about how you'd like to receive your orders and package them that way to bring people back to buy from you, regardless of the platform that you're selling on. This next tip is something that I actually don't think I've talked about in any video that I've done so far. And this is to be your own advertiser. Be your own advertiser. If you're going to sell fast, you need to tell people you have stuff for sale. Put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, put it on any social media that you have. Get people to know that it's out there. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell your coworkers. Word of mouth is a very valid type of advertising, and it is free. Putting it on Facebook, free. Sharing it on Twitter, sharing it on Instagram, it's all free. Promotion that is free, take advantage of that. You can sell more items if people know you have items for sale. Another tip to sell items fast is to make sure you cross-list your items on several selling platforms. So I mentioned I sell on Poshmark, eBay, I have sold on Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. I always cross-list on Poshmark and eBay. I find different customers and different things sell on different platforms. But if I put it on eBay, millions of people are going to see it, or potentially millions of people are going to see it. When I put it on Poshmark, the same thing. By putting it on two platforms, it doubles my chances of selling the item faster. Is it a little bit of work? Absolutely, it is a little bit of work. But again, I'm trying to maximize the potential of selling items. So cross-listing is very important. Another tool to sell items fast is to utilize tools that the website you're selling on gives you. So Poshmark, you have the opportunity to send offers to likers, and they have closet clear out days. So in a closet clear out, if you reduced your price of your item by 10%, Poshmark gives the buyer a $3 shipping discount. So sometimes that shipping discount is enough that it makes the person who wants to buy your item actually go through and purchase that item. eBay, you can run promotions, run sales, offer $10 off items. It's completely up to you what it is you run as a sale. Etsy, you also have the opportunity to run sales on Etsy. So built into those platforms are ways for you to sell your items. So utilize those tips and tricks and things that are provided for you to sell your items more quickly online. And the last tip I'm going to share with you on how to sell online and how to sell fast online is to enjoy what you're doing. If you enjoy shopping for items, taking pictures and putting them online, it doesn't seem like work, it seems more like fun. And when something is more fun, then you're going to want to do more of it. Think of a goal that maybe you want to achieve. So let's just say you started selling on Poshmark as a way to clear out some of the items in your closet, and then you found out you liked it. Set yourself a goal. If you make $5,000, you're going to take your family on a vacation. If you sell $200, you're going to buy yourself those new boots that you liked. Find a way to make it enjoyable for you and set targets for how much money that you want to make on the platform. But enjoy what you're doing, and it doesn't seem like work. So hopefully the tips I provided today are educational and informative and on your way out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, drop me a note in the comments, and I hope you have greater sales in the months to come.